Hello my dear friends, in this video we will understand how to make indirect of sentences in present simple. Okay, when we have present simple in direct speech, how to change that into indirect in our spoken. He said, I have two cars. He said this to me in the past when he had two cars. So he had two cars in the past. If now at the time of reporting he still has two cars, so we would say he said that he has two cars. He said I am poor. He was poor in the past when he said, but if he is still poor, we would say into indirect speech in our conversation, like he said that he is poor. Okay, he said I love the PM of my country. He loved his PM in the past, and if it is still true, he still loves his PM. Now we would say he said that he loves the PM of his country. Okay, if the sentence is in present simple and the situation is the same as it was in the past, means there is no change in the situation. He had two cars in the past, he has two cars even now, so we would report as he said that he has two cars. We would change only the pronouns, not the tense. Okay, I have two cars, he has two cars. The tenses are the same, only pronouns are changed. I am poor, he is poor. He said he is poor. I love the PM of my country. He loves the PM of his country. Okay, only I and my will be changed, not the tense. Okay, and if the situation is changed, the situation in the past was different than now, then we change even tense. Okay, he said I have two cars. He said that he had two cars because he has only one car now. Okay, he said I'm poor. He said that he was poor. Okay, because he is now rich. The situation is changed, so we would change the tense as well. Okay, and I hope you found something interesting in this video, and if that is the case, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.